how to upload widescreen video on your TikTok for full screen mode. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can upload widescreen video on your TikTok for full screen mode. For that, you have to open up your TikTok first of all. So once you have opened up your TikTok here, so on the bottom there is a plus icon. You have to go for the plus icon here. So to upload the video widescreen on your TikTok, you can record your video first of all here. So go and record your video. So once you have recorded the video, you have to go for the right click option here. So on the setting, you can see the edit option and you have to go for that. So you have to select that video and you have to rotate this. So here you can see that. And go for the next option. And here you can see that you have successfully made your video to widescreen on your TikTok. Also, you can go for the discard edit. And if you have uploaded the video from your mobile device, if you have uploaded this video, then again you have to go for your edit section and you have to select that video and you have to rotate this here. Then go back. Here you can see that you have successfully created the widescreen video on your TikTok. Also, you can go for the discard option. You can upload the widescreen video from your, so if you have placed your mobile phone on the widescreen, then also you can upload it from your gallery option, gallery too. Then go for the next option and you can post your video. So with the help of this step, you can upload the widescreen video on your TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.